Ready to revolutionize your home in 2025? Discover the 8 must-have Amazon household and kitchen gadgets that will take your space to the next level. From high-tech helpers to clever time savers, these gadgets are game changers you won't want to miss. Let's jump in. The TMY Mini Projector is your perfect companion for vibrant home entertainment. Featuring the newest 720p native LCD technique, this projector enhances image clarity by 20%, bringing every detail to life. With a native 720p resolution and the latest LED light source, the TMI projector delivers sharp and vivid visuals for an immersive viewing experience. The built-in keystone and focus functions allow you to adjust the image for perfect alignment, whether you're projecting on a wall or the included 100-inch projector screen. Enjoy a cinematic experience with TMI's native HD 720p projection, making it ideal for movie nights, gaming, and presentations. The perfect blend of portability, quality, and convenience for any occasion. The Sellastic Neck Massager, your ultimate solution for relaxation and pain relief. Featuring innovative kneading technology, it simulates real human hand techniques like pressing, kneading, and patting, targeting your neck, shoulders, and back with 6 powerful massage heads for a deep, soothing experience. The built-in heat function offers 2 adjustable warmth settings, 104 Mord and 111 Grs, enhancing muscle relaxation and relieving tension. Designed for convenience, this lightweight and portable massager can be worn hands-free, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Its rechargeable battery provides up to 80 minutes of cordless use, freeing you from messy wires. Whether you're gifting it for a birthday, anniversary, or holiday, the Sellastic Neck Massager makes the perfect choice for loved ones or yourself. Transform any room into an underwater oasis with the EDIER Jellyfish lamp, the perfect blend of beauty and tranquility. This 6.5 by 15-inch table lamp features 2 lifelike fluorescent jellyfish that swim gracefully in a whisper-quiet, motor-driven tank. Its 7-color LED settings create a mesmerizing visual display, while the optional projector mode casts stunning aqua effects on your ceiling, adding a magical touch to your space. Designed for relaxation, this lamp soothes stress and anxiety with its calming ambiance, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. The unique design ensures smooth jellyfish movement without tangling, while its realistic appearance brings a serene, oceanic vibe to your home. Whether you're looking to enhance your mood or give a unique gift, the EDIER Jellyfish lamp is the perfect choice for peaceful and captivating decor. The Hatch Restore 2 Sunrise Alarm Clock is a revolutionary sleep companion designed to enhance your mornings and nights. With its gradual sunrise simulation, it helps you wake up naturally, aligning with your body's circadian rhythm for a more peaceful and energized start to your day. The clock also features a customizable sound machine, offering a variety of soothing sounds like white noise and nature sounds, ensuring a restful night's sleep. The dimmable display lets you enjoy a dark, quiet room while you sleep, and you can easily set personalized sleep routines through the free Hatch app. Whether you need a gentle wake-up or a calming pre-sleep environment, the Hatch Restore 2 offers the perfect solution for better sleep and a brighter morning. Introducing the Gulu beer brewer, powered by Firm Control 2.0 for precision brewing like never before. With this innovative system, every parameter is fully adjustable, automatically managing temperature and pressure from 0 to 25 psi and 37.4 Faris to 86 degrees Faris. Experience complete control and power as you brew with confidence, ensuring perfect results every time. The BPA-free Trident fermenter guarantees safe and durable brewing, while the built-in automatic pressure relief valve provides added safety. Instant pressure alerts keep you informed in real time, ensuring you never miss a beat during the brewing process. With the Gulu beer brewer, you can craft professional quality beer effortlessly, achieving precise temperature and pressure control to enhance the flavor and quality of your brew. Brew like a pro with the ultimate in precision and power. Gulu, the West Bend stir-crazy popcorn popper, turns your family movie night into a fun theater experience. Pop up to 4 quarts of delicious popcorn in a single batch with stir rod technology that ensures more popcorn per batch. The magnetic kettle cover makes adding kernels and oil easy, while the removable kettle simplifies cleaning, Within minutes, you'll have family-sized portions of popcorn ready to enjoy. Available in sleek black, this popcorn maker combines style and functionality, creating an authentic movie theater experience right at home. Get ready for endless fun with fresh, tasty popcorn every time. The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is your ultimate kitchen companion, offering a variety of cooking options in one appliance. With the ability to air fry, rotisserie, roast, bake, and dehydrate, it makes preparing healthy meals 3 times faster than a traditional oven. Featuring 12 cooking presets, you can easily choose the perfect setting for your meal with just one touch. The bonus rotisserie spit is perfect for making succulent golden rotisserie chicken. With a 12-quart capacity, it's ideal for family-sized meals or meal prepping. The high fry button ensures an extra crispy finish every time, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Transform your cooking with the CHEFMAN air fryer and enjoy faster, healthier, and more delicious meals. To start using your Philips 3200 series fully automatic coffee machine, press the on-off button to switch the machine off. First, remove the water tank and open the service door located on the right side of the machine. Next, press the push button on the right side, hold it, and pull the grip towards you to set the brew group in the neutral position. Ensure the 2 arrowheads on the side are aligned. If they don't match, push the lever down until it contacts the base, and the arrows will align. Now, check that the yellow locking hook is in the uppermost position. Push the yellow hook upwards until you hear a click. Slide the brew group back into the machine along the rails until it locks with a click. Close the service door and place the water tank back. Press the on-off button to turn the machine on. Your machine is now ready to use, offering you delicious coffees more easily than ever. Enjoy the innovation. Thanks for watching. If you love these innovative gadgets, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing finds. Stay tuned for more ways to elevate your home and kitchen in 2025. Catch you in the next video.